Tools you need to iron like a professional. Irons are available at all price points from less than $20 to hundreds. The one you select should be based on how often you iron and your expectations of performance. It is important to consider these 5 factors. Beyond an iron, the next most important tool for successful ironing is a pressing cloth. It usually only takes one time of ending up with a shiny iron-shaped mark on fabric to learn to use a pressing cloth. That little piece of cloth between your hot iron and your expensive shirt can save the day. Excessive heat from an iron can burn or scorch some natural fibers and can actually melt some synthetic fibers. You might think that an ironing board is necessary for any ironing. It is important and will make ironing easier. However, you can iron garments and linens fairly well without one. To add a bit of style to your laundry room, there are ironing board covers in every design, from basic gray to stripes to florals. Even with a good steam iron, a spray bottle that will spray a fine mist will make your ironing task much more simple. For cotton, linens and most natural fiber fabrics, dampening the garment or linen will make ironing easier and quicker. When you iron a garment's sleeve on a traditional ironing board, it is almost impossible to remove all the wrinkles without adding a crease down the length of the sleeve. For some shirts, like a starched business shirt, that's not a problem. However, for many garments like women's dresses or jackets, you don't want a crease detracting from the line of the garment. Take a look at the shoulders of a shirt or jacket. They are rounded to fit the curve of our bodies. No one likes a sharp crease across that seam. That's why a pressing ham is essential to creating that creaseless look. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.